Welcome to Crystal Tractor's Implement Series.
Hey guys, Butch here, Crystal Tractor, here to talk to you to show you how to hook up your skid steer mounted bale accumulator. We're going to show you how to hook it up and operate it. All right, here we go. I'll lock in our quick attach here. Now we've got the capability to move up and down. Get it flat. You're just going to run right over top of your bales, and then when you're all full, you open up, the hooks will grab everything and lock it in place for storage. So once you got a full load here, everything's full, you're all ready to go. This piston right here will open, these hooks will grab your bales, keep them nice and secure for transportation and going to get them set up.
Thank you for watching. Visit crystaltractor.com for all your agricultural needs.